Welcome back. So in today's video lesson, we are actually trying to play with IAM Access Analyzer. And as the name suggests, Access Analyzer means it will analyze the access for our AWS resources. So if the access is like out of zone from particular this account or AWS organization which we will create, it will report an issue and then we can go and fix that particular issue. So just to make you understand in a very simple way, we will do a live hands-on demo here and see like how it works, right? And let's first try to understand what are the things the analyzer can do. So I have opened the IAM Access Analyzer page, which I go through the IAM console here, and then this is my Access Analyzer. And when I click on Access Analyzer, this particular page opens, right? So first thing is create an analyzer. So the creation of analyzer has two things to be considered. It can be under an organization or it can be under AWS account. For this live demo, we will consider it to be under our AWS account. Okay. Once this particular analyzer has been created, it will review the findings which is not in the zone of trust, like which is, for example, this any resource which can be accessed outside of this particular account, right? It will generate active findings and it will let us know and advise us to fix it because we might have overlooked it or we might have forgotten about it, right? So we'll take action accordingly. So let's quickly I will show you what other things it has to report as an example. So I have created a bucket and let us see its properties. I have given it the property of, permissions, for example, sorry, that it has public access to the bucket. And also I have written a policy so that it can actually be assessed through all the accounts, not only this particular account. So ideally, it is out of zone trust for this particular bucket, right? So what it should do, the IAM Access Analyzer, it should report this bucket as not according to our policies or the things which we are configuring in AWS, right? So let's create the analyzer. We will click on create. We will check that it is in the region AP Southeast 1, that is Singapore. And you see like this particular thing is under the same account. And we will leave all the things as it is. And we will create the analyzer, right? So it has created the analyzer and it will take some time to show us what are my active findings. So it is, you see, it is correctly displaying the finding like external principal is all principals. Like I have given access to all principals, which is out of the zone policy of this particular access analyzer. So it has write permissions, it has all the other permissions. So what we can do is we can go and fix this particular thing after going to this particular bucket. So this is a very good utility given by AWS to secure our account, and this is one of the best practices for security architecture as well, to actually continuously use Access Analyzer to check whether there are any external principal IDs or the resources which has external connectivity. So I hope this particular lecture has added value to your learning, and I will see you in the next class. So another thing I want to show you is how you can delete this Access Analyzer. Is you can go to analyzers, you can click this particular analyzer and you can just do delete, and we'll do delete. Delete is done. and we will also delete our uh, S3 bucket. Okay, so that's all for this particular video, and I will see you in the next video.